This is Around the Island. I'm your host, MADMATT, in the place to be. And first off, hopefully everybody is staying hydrated because of this very hot weather. And thank God it rained yesterday and today. And now, what's good, Palau? We got events, we got mad news, we got community stores and things you can lose. PIF is about to start, Palau is getting ready, local businesses is moving, entrepreneurs staying steady. But we also got fires, so we gotta stay aware. And one for our four-legged friends, yes, pause is there. So whether you're looking for food, music, community, or just want to know what's happening around Palau, this is the right place. And there's a lot happening this week. We got night markets in Koror and Irai, Palau getting ready to welcome Pacific leaders for PIF 2026, local entrepreneurs learning how to use AI, an important safety reminder, and some help coming for our furry friends. So enough talking, let's get around the island. First stop, Koror. If you're looking for food, music, shopping, and some good island night vibes, Koror State is bringing the community together for another state night market. This Friday, or today, August 21st, the action goes down at Arngo Park from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And listen, it's just not about the food. You've got live music from Stallone and Bo, plus dance performances from Southern Stars and Tellboys Dance Group. And of course, delicious island food, local vendors, unique finds, and plenty of community vibes. So after this very long week, Friday night, you deserve some good food and music. Bring the family, bring your friends, support those local vendors, and come enjoy a cool island evening. Koror, Friday night. We'll see you there. And now, we cruise across the bridge and we're heading down to Irai. Because the night market action doesn't stop there. The Bellius Night Bazaar is back! Saturday night, August 22nd from 5 to 9 p.m. at the Irai side of the JP Friendship Bridge. Food, music, shopping, local vendors, and community vibes. So whether you're on Koror's side or Irai's side, there's really no excuse to stay at home. Grab the family, grab your friends, support local businesses, and come enjoy the night. Friday in Koror, Saturday in Irai, Palau, we outside! Now, let's switch gears. Palau is getting ready for one of the biggest regional gatherings of the year, the 55th Pacific Islands Forum Leaders and Related Meetings. It's coming to Palau from August 31st through September 3rd. And while the leaders and delegates are preparing, and so is the media. The Palau Media Council recently participated in a 3-day hands-on training with ABC, International Development, helping local media professionals strengthen their skills and prepare for PIF 2026 coverage. Because when leaders from across the Pacific come together here in Palau, we want our local media ready to tell the story professionally, accurately, and from a Palauan perspective. And the countdown is on. PIF 2026, Palau is ready. Now let's talk technology. Artificial intelligence is making its way into Palau's small business community. From women entrepreneurs and farmers to aspiring business owners, people are learning how technology can help with marketing, customer communication, record keeping, and everyday business tasks. And this isn't just about fancy technology, it's about giving local entrepreneurs tools to work smarter. AI is changing the game, and so is Palau. We stepping onto the field. But remember, technology is a tool. AI is a tool and not a source. Remember that. Right, students? The creativity, the business idea, and the hard work, that's still on you. Yes, you behind the screen, the audience, you watching, still on you. Now, we need to slow things down for an important community reminder. Residents in Ngarmlangoy recently reported a fire, highlighting just how quickly fires can spread when conditions are dry. Palau has been experiencing very dry conditions, so everybody needs to be extra careful. Please, don't throw cigarette butts along the roadside. Don't leave glass bottles or other items that could contribute to a fire hazard. And if you see something dangerous, report it ASAP. No, Rocky. And a big shout out to our firefighters and emergency responders who continue to put themselves on the line to protect our communities. Fire prevention isn't just the firefighter's job. It's about everybody's job. Stay alert, stay safe, protect our island, protect Palau. And now, we gotta show some love to our furry friends. Paws is coming to your neighborhood. Pet owners in Mayuns, Ngurgopsang, and Eang can take advantage of mobile outreach clinics offering services for dogs and cats. That includes spay and neuter surgeries, vaccinations, deworming, flea and tick preventions, heartworm preventions, and care for sick or injured animals. So if you got a dog, a cat, or basically any furry little troublemaker running around your house, take care of them. Their family too. And just like that, we made our way around the island. From Koror to Irai, from local businesses to entrepreneurs, from our media professionals getting ready for PIF, to firefighters protecting our communities, and even our dogs and cats getting some love. Palau is always moving. There's always something happening. Now, it's your turn. What should we cover next? Just holla. Send us your stories, announcements, and many more. Subscribe to TMC. So, get out there, support local, shop local, stay safe, stay hydrated, and take care of each other. And take care of our beautiful island. It's your host, MADMATT. I'm signing out. Peace.